In today's video, I'm going to be telling you why the iPhone 13 mini is the only device that I would choose if I can only have one device to use in my garage for filming and editing DIY videos. Now, at this moment, you're probably looking at me like I'm crazy. Like, why would I choose an older iPhone 13 mini when there's so many newer options like a Samsung S23, an iPhone 14 Pro, or a DSLR camera? Well, there are many reasons why the iPhone 13 mini is the perfect device for me, and I'm going to be explaining those reasons in this video. First of all, the iPhone 13 mini has a stunning 5.4-inch OLED display that delivers amazing colors and contrast. It also has a ceramic shield front that is 4 times more resistant to drops than the previous generation. This means I don't have to worry about damaging my screen if I accidentally drop my phone while filming or editing my videos. Secondly, the iPhone 13 mini has a powerful A15 Bionic chip, which is one of the fastest chips that you can get in a smartphone on the market today. It also has a neural engine that can perform 15.8 trillion operations per second. This means that I can edit my videos smoothly and quickly on my phone using apps like iMovie, LumaFusion, or Adobe Premiere Rush. That also means that I don't have to transfer any of my video files to my desktop computer or a laptop. I can do all of my video editing right on my phone, which saves me a lot of time and hassle. Thirdly, the iPhone 13 mini has a stunning camera system which can capture amazing photos and videos. It has a dual 12 megapixel rear camera that features a wide angle lens and an ultra wide angle lens. It also has a 12 megapixel front facing camera that features a true depth sensor. The iPhone 13 mini supports cinematic mode, which allows me to record videos with shallow depth of field and focus transitions. It also supports HDR video recording with Dolby Vision, which gives me more dynamic range and color accuracy. Now, the iPhone 13 mini can record up to 240 frames per second in 1080p and 60 frames per second in 4K. This means that I can capture every detail and every movement of my DIY projects and make them look professional and cinematic. Finally, the iPhone 13 mini has a ton of storage space with up to 512 gigabytes. That's more than enough to work on multiple DIY projects at the same time without having to worry about deleting old footage so that you can make room for new videos. It also has a long-lasting battery that can last up to 17 hours of video playback. This means I don't have to worry about running out of power or space while filming or editing my videos. So, these are the reasons why the iPhone 13 mini is the only device that I would choose if I can only pick one for filming my DIY projects. Now, if you like this video, please consider hitting the thumbs up and the subscribe button as we have plenty more content coming up and I don't want you to miss out. I'm Neil, and I'll see you guys the next time I decide to hit the upload button. Peace.